Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my very last Frockbox try on. So it's been a full year already and this is the last box that I'm receiving. We've had some highs, we've had some lows. If you don't know, Frockbox is a monthly fashion subscription box based out of St. Albert, Alberta, Canada. And I happen to live in Alberta, so I hopped at the chance to try out something local. The box costs about $25 a month, and they send you 5 different items of clothing each month. So if you keep any items, basically $25 comes off of whatever item you keep. You can set your style guidelines, you can set your size guidelines, you can set color palette. It's pretty customizable. Now a lot more customizable, I guess, than at the start. They've kind of done some upgrades. And so yeah, without further ado, let me take you through what I got this month. The first item this month are these pants, which are pretty interesting. They're called Jogger cargo pants. They're in an extra large. The price is $59.99. And they have this like interesting cuff detail where it's kind of like a little bit retro. So I have high hopes for these. They're like a lot of Frockbox items, a elastic waist in the back and then a nice clean front. So let me go ahead and throw these pants on. We'll see if they fit. Okay, and here are the pants on. They are by the brand Dex, D-E-X. They are 100% cotton and they are made in China. And I would say they're like right at the edge of comfortable fit. Almost slightly too small, but like still completely comfortable, easy to get on. And I think during this like stay inside period, might be putting on some pounds. So gotta be more active. But very comfortable. I'm a little sad that they're not, I guess, a little more like cropped fit, but still really cute. I think I could get away wearing these to the office, definitely lounging at home. They feel very nice. They feel like a high quality pants. There are some random strings here and there, but nothing that I can't just clip off. And they've got pockets on the front, real pockets on the back, and I'm pretty impressed with like how slimmy and I feel they make the front of me look. That's usually like my problem area, so off to a good start. So Sasha recommended that I pair these pants with the next item, which is this graphic tee, and this is officially a long sleeve curved hem top in large. It's $39.99 and it's in the color Dusty Rose. And it is by the brand 00. And it is made in Vietnam. And the shirt itself is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So let me throw this on. So without tucking it in, this is what it looks like. And if I go ahead and tuck it in, there we go. It feels pretty lightweight, almost maybe too lightweight. And I'm not too sure that I'm a Friday, Saturday, Sunday type of gal. So it seems a little random. I'm not really sure it fits my style profile, although I do like the color. I think I would be a lot more tempted if this didn't have any words on it. Again, the fit is like fine, pretty hard to go wrong with a stretchy t-shirt, but overall I'm just not too sure it's my style, and paying $40 for it seems a little excessive. The next item Sasha picked out for me is this guy, top with flutter scallop edge sleeves in large. It is $41.99 and it's in this bright pink, and the sleeves are like not hemmed at all, and they're just cut in this like petal edge detail. Pretty interesting. The actual body of it we've seen a few times before, Although this time it does have a few different seams in the front. Style is very familiar to what I've received in Frockbox, but the details are still a little bit different every time we get a shirt. This one is by West Moon Los Angeles, made in LA, which I like. It is 100% polyester. So let me go ahead and throw it on. Okay, and here is the shirt. The bra, obviously maybe not quite right. It's kind of got this interesting like A-line shape and typical quality for what I would feel like you would get in these shirts. The fabric feels a little bit like silkier than some of the other ones. You can pretty much see all the like lace detail on your bra, so you probably just want to wear a more plain padded, maybe nude colored bra. But I love the way it comes down over the waistband of the pants. I think that's pretty cool. The color is pretty shocking for me, but I like it. And I think it goes pretty good with the khaki pants as well. And for something made in LA, I think $40 seems okay. Hopefully ethically made, maybe? I'm so excited to try on this next piece here. These are the woven denim strap dress with exposed front zip. It's in a size extra large. The price is $64.99, so getting up there. It's by the brand Dex Plus, getting a lot of Dex things. This one's made in China, and it is 99% cotton and 1% spandex. So let me go ahead and throw it on. She did recommend I could try it on with the top here. So, oh my god, it's kind of cute. Maybe let's hope that it fits my body. Okay, and it flipping fits. It's actually super comfortable. It's got pockets on the front, zips up nicely. Let's check the side. A little not forgiving on the side, but because it's so cute otherwise, I think I could probably stuck it up and wear it. I feel like this stretch is also very forgiving, so if I gained weight or lost weight, it would still be really cute. The front neck detail, also super flattering, especially if you're a little more flat-chested and big-bottomed like me. It kind of adds a nice amount of shape. I feel like the waist cinches in very nicely to show off the hips. Overall, pretty happy with this. And I could wear this with so many different shirts underneath, pretty much anything. So very excited to have this. Pretty cute. Again, something I would probably have never picked out for myself, but I like it. And one last item here. This is a big sweater. This is the down slanted color block knit cardigan with leopard accent in a size large. It's kind of a off-white color, almost a tan color. This leopard print color, and then this charcoal gray down below. This one is $59.99, and it is a large size. It is by the brand My Story, and I see pockets. 79% polyester, 18% rayon, 3% spandex, and it's made in the USA. So that's pretty cool. Let me go ahead, throw it on. Okay, let's take a look. I would almost say it's a little bit oversized, like the sleeves are maybe a little excessively loose, but at the same time, maybe not with this pink shirt. I love the length of it. I feel like this could be super cozy at work or just working in the home office, doing whatever you need to do. A little bit like boyfriend sweater, but not boyfriend sweater. But I really like it. So really everything in this box was pretty much a hit except for that one printed shirt, which I think means it's going to be cheaper to keep everything than to send anything back. So let me just quickly run the numbers here and I will determine what is up. I ran the numbers. If we keep everything, the grand total is $266.95, less the styling fee, less 25% off for keeping each item. So the grand total is $181. So with that substantial discount, it would actually be cheaper to keep everything than to send back that one pink shirt that I was kind of on the fence about, the one with the Friday stuff. So I think I could keep that shirt, use it as pajamas or something, which is expensive for a single shirt, $40, but because it gives me a $60 plus discount, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. So with that, I'm gonna log on to Frockbox and give Sasha, my stylist, all of my feedback. And that wraps up this year of Frockbox. So that means I need to next work on a summary video for this full year. So I'm going to add up everything that I kept, add up everything I didn't keep, you know, how much I spent on a year of Frockbox, and yeah, kind of give an overview of the service. But before I do that, so many of you guys have requested that I try out the option that they have where you basically get a full outfit in one go. So this is the last regular subscription box that I'm going to be getting. The other service they have, it's not a subscription, it's kind of a one-time deal. You just pay and they send you an outfit, and then you either keep it or send back the pieces that you don't like. So that's actually what I'm going to go for next month. So there will be one more Frockbox video. It's just a different service. They also have one other service that they currently have a waiting list on, and that's a shoe subscription. I actually really like a lot of the shoes that they do send. So I think I'm going to put myself on the waiting list. I've been on the waiting list, honestly. But I don't know when that service is going to be up and running yet. If I hadn't tried Frockbox for a year, I'd be like, hell no, there's no way I'm going to be trying a shoe subscription service. But honestly, they have sent me so many, at least 5 pairs of shoes that I've kept, and they fit really nice and I really love. So totally down to try that. I think they have some pretty nice shoe brands that they work with. MIIM meme really standing out in my mind. So yeah, look forward to that next month. If you enjoyed today's video, and thank you guys so much for saying that you like these fashion try-on videos, make sure you leave your comment down below. Let me know if you got a good Frockbox this month or not. Huge shout out to my patrons for helping me do these videos and try out these different subscription boxes. Thanks to you guys for watching, and with that, oh, special shout out to Douglas, who helped me rearrange the beauty studio. You see we have new placement of the desk drawers, cleaned up everything, moved my sewing dummy back here, some of my sewing equipment. He hung my picture frames up that I've had waiting to hang up for like a year. So that's very exciting. Also pulled out the mirror so I can actually use the mirror every morning. So thank you, Douglas. And with that, I think for real, I will see you all in Thursday's beauty video. Bye!